Okay, Songbird, I am so super excited to announce the lucky winner of 2 free 60-minute one-on-one singing lessons with me from those of you who participated in my Songbird Survey 2020. Now that's coming up real soon, but before I announce the winner, I really just want to, from the bottom of my heart, just thank all of you who took the time to fill in that survey. Your feedback is just so valuable to me. I learned so much about you and my songbirds around the globe, and most importantly, I really gained some amazing insights into your singing questions, your frustrations, and how you actually want me to be able to help you. So I want you to know that I'm still poring over every single survey response, in a lot of detail, because I really want to just really learn exactly how it is that I can serve you better in 2020. But yeah, in terms of all of your feedback, I'm going to take that all on board, and this year, and of course beyond that, I will be creating programs, webinars, workshops, courses, and things like that is going to really be targeted towards what you told me that you need, because I'm really committed to helping you become the songbird that you've always dreamed of. And as I said, I really do believe that 2020 is your year. And also, for those of you who put down questions, your singing questions and frustrations, I am going to address all of those in some format on a YouTube video, okay? So those questions will be answered sometime through the year. So, if you make sure that you stay subscribed, or if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the YouTube channel and also to my email. If you do all that, you're not gonna miss out on all of the amazing free content that's coming your way, that's actually created from all of your questions that you sent in through the survey. So thank you so much again for taking part. I so appreciate you, and I cannot wait to keep journeying with you, to take you, to those high levels of soaring songbird, what you've always dreamed of doing. Okay, so now it's time for me to announce the winner, and that is, let's do a drum roll, Mika from Japan. Mika, if you're watching this, I hope you're jumping up and down and doing cartwheels and getting really excited, because I'm super excited and I can't wait to meet you and to be able to enjoy and have fun in those 2 lessons together. I'll be emailing you to arrange that. So stay tuned to your inbox for that. Now, for everybody else, I do hope that you enjoyed the free gift that I sent you, which was a new vocal workout that you could just use to warm up your voice and build your voice on the run. Now, there were a couple of people where those emails bounced back at me, and so you've probably given me an incorrect email. If that's you and you haven't received that from me yet, that's not because I didn't send it to you. It's because your email bounced. Could you please go onto thesongbird.com and fill out a contact form and let me know, so that you actually will get that. I don't want you to miss out on the free gift, because everybody who filled out the survey was promised that free gift, and I want to make sure you get that. All right, well, once again, congratulations, Mika. Can't wait to meet you. And to all of you songbirds around the globe, know that I'm always believing in you, and I know that 2020 is going to be the year that you get grounded, take flight, and sing. See ya!